Hey everyone, welcome back to another plan with me. Today I will be doing a one-page minimalist kit in my big happy planner. The kit I'm using is my 60's Psychedelic kit, which will be coming out in March of 2021. What I really like about this kit is not only is it super trippy and groovy, but the colors are so vibrant. I could not have been any more pleased than I am right now with how it turned out. I decided not to use the numbers that come with the kit just because I really liked how these big numbers stood out, and with the whole 60 psychedelic theme, everything is kind of not proportioned with each other. If you knew anything about that generation and that whole era. But I use that a lot for inspiration, especially in the sidebar that I absolutely love. I am forever going to be doing this in the future. The sidebar is great because, first of all, the paper, you can use any pen or marker on it and it won't smudge. But it's also very helpful because if you have a lot of tasks that you need to do for the week, or even tasks that you keep pushing week after week after week, you can put it there and not take up any space for your daily activities. So I also have these two designed washi strips. They are made perfectly to fit the width of a big happy planner box, which makes a faux long skinny washi strip, which is very satisfying, especially since it's really difficult to make really long strips of washi for the big happy planner because of the sizes. But hey, we made it work. So if you like minimalist spreads as much as I do, I'm very curious to hear how other people define minimalist spreads. If you can leave a comment down below, I would love to hear what you have to say. I know that this is not the complete opposite of a full spread of pictures and stickers and everything, but it's a good compromise. So if you like this video and want to watch some more, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Bye!